If you're the one responsible for clearing snow at your rental or owned home, I highly recommend getting a snow blower instead of breaking your back with a shovel. Now, whether you need a single-stage or a two-stage snow blower depends on a few key factors. Let me walk you through it. For this video, think about a standard double driveway, space for 2 or even 4 cars, with an asphalt or paved surface. The big question is simple. Should you choose a compact single-stage snow blower, or a heavy-duty two-stage machine? For now, I'm not talking about gas or battery yet, just the type of machine. This is a common dilemma for homeowners in snowbelt areas. If you have a 4-car driveway, you're right on the borderline between the two options. A single-stage snow blower is very tempting, especially for asphalt, because of the rubber auger. It actually shaves the pavement clean, which means less leftover snow and less salt. It's fast, lightweight, and easy to maneuver. But then comes the real problem. The wall of winter. You know exactly what I mean, that heavy, wet, compacted slush the city plow leaves at the end of your driveway. That's called the end of driveway pile, or YOD snow. A single stage works great for 10 to 15 centimeters of fresh snow. But when you're dealing with a 2-foot chunk of packed ice and slush, it's going to struggle. At that point, you're basically wrestling the machine. And it turns into a workout instead of a time saver. If you want to save your back and let the machine do the hard work, a 2-stage snow blower makes a big difference. 2-stage models are self-propelled, so they move forward on their own. They use a metal auger to break up ice and packed snow, and an impeller to throw it far away, sometimes 40 or 50 feet. For heavy snow or large areas, they're incredibly effective. That said, there's something practical you should think about. Garage space. If you already struggle to park 2 cars, especially with extra wheels, garbage bins, yard tools, or a lawn mower, a bulky 2-stage snow blower can feel huge. Moving it around or storing it might mean shifting a car every time. And that can get annoying pretty quickly. So here's how I look at it. If you're physically active, have light to moderate snow, and want that clean to the ground finish, a single stage is a great choice. But if you have a longer driveway, frequent heavy snow, or you're tired of fighting the plow pile every storm, a 2-stage is absolutely worth the investment. When those February blizzards hit, that extra power feels priceless. Now, no matter which type you choose, there are a few features I strongly recommend. If it's gas-powered, get electric start. It saves you from pull starting in freezing temperatures and starts with the push of a button. Also look for good chute control. Being able to quickly adjust the direction and angle of the snow, especially with a joystick or remote control, makes the job much easier. These days, a lot of people are also asking about battery-powered snow blowers. Gas models still offer maximum power and long runtimes, which makes them better for deep, wet, or heavy snow. But they're louder and require maintenance, fuel, oil, spark plugs, and tune-ups. Battery models, on the other hand, start instantly, run quietly, produce zero emissions, and need very little upkeep. They're lighter and easier to handle, perfect for lighter snow or smaller driveways. And honestly, battery technology is improving fast. Some newer models are getting very close to gas performance. So the right choice really depends on your driveway size, snowfall, and how much maintenance you're willing to deal with. One thing I personally recommend avoiding, unless you only have a tiny area, is corded electric snow blowers. They can actually be risky. In freezing temperatures, extension cords become stiff and brittle. They crack. Water gets inside. And when electricity mixes with water and slush, that's a serious shock hazard. If the cord gets damaged, or worse, pulled into the auger and cut, it can lead to severe injury or electrocution. For safety alone, I usually don't recommend them. At the end of the day, the right snow blower simply makes winter easier. Choose the one that fits your driveway, your snow conditions, and your comfort level, and save your back for something better. Stay safe, stay warm, and if you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate a like on the video. It truly helps the channel grow, and allows me to create more content like this.